In this video, I will show you how you can sign up and set up your Leafpad account in order to set the automation so that Leafpad runs in the background, works on your SEO, and improves your ranking on Google and AI platforms like ChatGPT. So I am on the sign up page. You can find a link to this page from anywhere on the website. I have filled some dummy details here for now. I will just go ahead and click on create an account. Um, so now there are just a few details which you would need to add here so that the context is built for the automation to run to understand your business. So I'll just go ahead and enter my website here. So now you can see Leafpad asks a bunch of questions. I will just go ahead and add that so you can see competitors. So this would help Leafpad understand what are the terms your competitors are ranking for, what are the terms which would be easier to win, meaning the volume and keyword difficulty is justified enough for us to even try to rank for those keywords. So it's best to add as many competitors as possible, and also add your locale information, so that if a particular blog requires that information, it can be picked. So it's all about building the right context, right? So you can also see audience, and you can see you will be able to define some money pages. All of this would help Leafpad with each generation. It becomes a part of your workflow, and it just improves it improves content by using the context that you filled. Of course, once you sign up, there are other ways wherein you can use APIs to connect external data sources, which is what a lot of our customers also do. There is we fetch fresh content using their APIs, and there's also more docs that you can add. Um, all of this would help create the right context to create your blogs effectively. I'll just go ahead, click review, create blog. So my account is created here. Now at this point, what happens is there are a few things that run in the background. You will get your first blog created. It takes a while, about 15 minutes on average, and you'll get an email as soon as that is generated. You will also see some post scheduled on your calendar just to sort of show an example of how the look and feel of your content calendar would be. So just go to scheduling, you'll be able to see the content calendar in your business. Here's where all the context sits. So anytime there is an update to the website, or you want to change the ICP, add more competitors, you'll be able to come here and make those changes. The tonality of your site, and also if you want to, you know give any specific information, you'll be able to do it. Analytics section, you'll be able to see the uptake of how your SEO is progressing. Now if you head over to integrations, you will be able to see bunch of options. So we have obviously webhook that you can create. If you are on any AI builder like Lovable, Bolt, Replit, you just have to copy this prompt, paste it, and you'll be done. You will get a slash blog section, and you will be able to create blogs and run SEO on autopilot. If you are on any of these, Ghost, Framer, Shopify, you should just be able to go in. So for Shopify, you should be able to just enter your Shopify store URL and just connect your Shopify, and then um, all the blogs that are generated on Leafpad you'll be able to see that on Shopify as well. Similarly, for other applications. Now I'll go ahead and load an existing site which would give a clearer picture. Alright, so here this is an existing site, and we can see in the dashboard there are a bunch of blogs which have been created. If I go to my calendar here, you can see the blogs that have been generated. And once you sign up, you get sort of this plan of how Leafpad would be publishing your SEO content. You can see which keyword it would target, the volume and difficulty of it. You just go into any blog, and Also, you would be able to change anything, any content that you see on the blogs, and hit save, and it would automatically reflect on your site. Depending on the integration that you've done, it should work seamlessly. um, Also, so here's the analytics section which I mentioned, so you can track um yeah, so you'll be able to track the impressions that you've been getting on via the blogs or the content that Leafpad has been writing, the clicks that you've been getting, and granular details on that as well. So that covers the platform. You can just go ahead, sign up, and if you have any questions related to integrations, feel free to reach out.